In this video, you are going to learn how to use Google Slides with embeddable links in order to show what you know. So you're going to go into Google Slides like you would normally, create new slides, file new. You can give it a title. And then you can even go to File and change the page setup so that it's not as big. Okay, you can change it to 11.5 by 14, which is the size of a legal size piece of paper, or 8.5 by 11, or a bigger size. So you'll change it there. The next thing you want to do is you want to create or insert the image that you want to interact with. So I'm going to go image, and I'm doing something on glaciers. So I'm going to find an image, a suitable image where I can now embed links. And I'm going to go insert. And look how small it is. Okay, so I'll stretch it, and that could be the focus of it. And I can make it as big as my page, but you'll notice that it might lose its granularity. So I could also do this. I could isolate the slide, go to background, choose image, and now I might select something that I think might be a little bit bigger. So I will try that and insert. And what this will do, you'll notice versus the picture that you have to stretch out, it actually creates a background for you. All right, so then you can get rid of that. So I have my subject-specific vocabulary, and this could be an image of anything, right? It could be a book cover that you're analyzing. It could be a skeleton. It could be a plant. It could be anything that you basically want interactive. So I have something here, and I basically want to create embedded elements for my teacher to see. So what I'm going to do is I have a couple of options. So I can go to my polyline. That was just insert in shapes, and I can create a polyline image like that. Okay, I'm going to go to the line color and make sure it's transparent. So it's there, but no one can see it's there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a link, and maybe I have information from National Geographic about this particular mountain range or mountain range. So I have this link to this mountain range in Nunavut, and I'm going to go back to my Google slide, and I'm going to go Control-V and apply. And now there is an interactive link when the teacher hovers over it. The next thing I might want to do is I might want to embed a video here about melting ice caps. So I could do one of two things. I could also go polyline, or sometimes I just put a shape in right along here. I'm going to make it transparent, and again, make the line transparent. And now I'm going to right click, or I could go insert link, and I can grab the YouTube link and put it in there. So I had previously found an appropriate video. I'm going to go Control-V. So now I have text. I actually now here have a video that the teacher can see. Perhaps you want to speak. For that, you would use something called an online recorder. So I'm going to go to onlinevoicerecorder.com, and it's very simple to use. I just click, allow, and now I speak into the microphone about whatever it is that I would like to share about this interactive image. And in fact, I'm going to include the image in my interactive presentation. I pause it and stop it because I'm done. And it's going to save as an online recording, which I would then upload to my Google Drive and insert it. So I'm going to do this, go back to my interactive. I'm not going to use that particular one, but I'm going to go insert audio. It will bring me to all the audio files that I have created. So I'm going to make sure that the audio file is shared. And then you'll notice that it creates a little audio button that you can put there. When the teacher hovers over it, they'll be able to play. But again, make sure in your Google Drive you've included the shared settings. So basically that's it. You could embed a link to another Google Doc. Perhaps you had created a reflection. You can add any interactive elements whatsoever to this that you want. If you would like to show the teacher where things are, you could just put a little information image. If you're worried that the teacher will miss some of the interactive elements, you just go information PNG. And then every time you have a little bit of information, so we did something here, remember? Then we did something here. And then what you would do is something a little bit, so rather than creating the shape like I did, you would hyperlink whatever it is to the actual eye. So the teacher or the person who's looking at your image will click on that and will be able to see all the very interesting and exciting multimedia things that you would know and would like to share